Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a very interesting starter recipe called potato cheese stuffed balls. So the first step would be to take some cornflour in a bowl, add some water and mix it well till there are no lumps. So we'll keep this aside and let's proceed to the next step. So now to make the main mixture, we'll take a main ingredient which is boiled and mashed potatoes. To this we'll add some capsicum, some coriander, green chilies, garlic paste, ginger paste, chili flakes, oregano, some plain flour and salt. Now all we have to do is mix it well. So as you can see, it has been mixed well. Now let's start shaping them and filling cheese inside. Now we'll take a portion of this potato mixture and fill a cheese cube inside it and again roll it into a ball. So they all have been shaped as you can see. Now we're going to roll them in the cornflour water mixture and breadcrumbs. So we'll take one portion. This is a cornflour water mixture that we had made. And put the breadcrumbs. Make sure you evenly coat it from all the sides, or when you deep fry they are going to break. Yes, it has been coated from all the sides as you can see. In the same way, we'll roll again in the cornflour water mixture and the breadcrumbs. So as you can see, they all have been shaped and rolled in the cornflour water mixture and breadcrumbs. Now all we have to do is deep fry them. So the oil is nice and hot. To this I'm going to deep fry a few at a time, especially when you have cheese stuffed inside. We want them to be deep fried to nice and golden brown in color. And when you stir them also, make sure you stir them gently, or they'll break and the cheese will just ooze out. So now one batch is ready. Let's drain them on an absorbent paper. And in the same way, we'll deep fry one more batch. So as you can see, they all have been deep fried. Let's quickly serve them. So our potato stuffed cheese balls are ready. I'm going to show you one. Wow, can you see this cheese? So serve it immediately with some tomato ketchup and enjoy it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.